Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand about the assembly environment in SolidWorks. Okay, we will specially focus on the assembly only. Okay, introduction to the assembly environment and the different mates we will study in this one. Okay, I am going to start a new series of assembly. Okay, this is the assembly. Here we will study about the assembly environment and the how we part assemble with the help of the mate. So this is the SolidWorks user interface. This is the future environment. Okay, I am selecting future, new. This window comes. This is the part environment where the model we make. Assembly, this is the assembly environment. We will assemble the parts, different components, and then later on we will make the drawing of the individual part or the assembly. Okay, I am selecting the assembly and this one. This comes here. This window comes here. Okay, I am cancelling this window. Now you left hand side you will see the top is begin assembly. This is saying select a component to insert. First we have to insert a component in this design. This is the graphic area. So to insert the component we select the browse. Okay, this window again comes here, select the required part and this one open this one. You will see the component is moving if I am moving my cursor, but I am not clicking in the graphic area so far. So firstly we have to locate the component in the graphic area at the origin of the assembly. They are the two, one is origin of the assembly and they are the different origin of the parts. So I will explain you later on. I am not clicking. I am moving this part and bring my cursor in this I button. This is the visibility of icon. And click on this scroll button. This one. And this is the view origin. I am clicking this. I am clicking this one. Now this is your click. Now you will see on the graphic area, you will see two origin. One is the part origin, one is the assembly origin. Actually, our focus is first part to bring at the origin of assembly. Okay, how we will do this? We will do with the help of the mate. Okay, now I am not clicking so far again. I am moving my cursor to this I button and again click on this scroll button. This one, and this one. Now component is moving, and now I am coinciding this origin with this original origin. This one, you will see this one. This is meeting. Now scroll button and off the icon. This one. You will see if I press the front plane, this one, and control front plane of this one apart, you will see these are one plane. Okay. Now if I select top plane, control key, then top plane of the part, you will see there are one plane. Okay. And if I select right plane, control key and right plane of the part, these are in one plane, you will see. So our purpose is to bring our first part at the origin of the assembly. This part is located in this one. Okay, now in the assembly we bring the part, we give the color plain white and the unit system is this one. Now we have to insert another part in order to assemble the things. If we assemble the different parts in this assembly, how we can do? Another part is brought by this in the command manager. This is the command manager. Insert components. I am insert this component. Again this window comes here and browse this one. Suppose I bring my this 30 mm pin. Another part I am bringing. This, open it. Okay, this part is coming. Later on we will understand about this XYZ. So far there is no use of in this component. Actually this is rotated about x-axis, y-axis, z as per our requirement. This is the 30 mm pin I have made and click in the graphic area. This one. Now I have to assemble this part with this one. How? Suppose I have to locate this part in this one. Mat, in the mat. With the help of the mat, we assemble the part. First, we will study about the standard mat. There are the different types of the mat: standard, advanced, analysis, this one, advanced, standard, mechanical mat. But firstly, we will understand about the standard mats. Okay, these are different mats: coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, log, distance, angle mat. So in the standard mat, first we understand about this one, concentric mat. If I select this one and this, not face halves, yes, this bore section. Now the center of this part and this bore center are in one axis. Okay, I am cancelling it. No, mat, this one and this one. And yeah, here, this is, you will see there is a two circle. This is a concentric relation. And okay, it means this center of this concentric means center of this part and center of this bore dia is in one line. Okay, now this one. Now you will see left hand side, you will see there is a mat, this mat. You will see, if I click this concentric mat, you will show here. Okay, one more relation we establish. This one, mat, and this and this surface. You will see this window. Now this is the coincidence. And if I click OK, this one, it means this part is coincident with this one. Cancelling it. This one, you will see here, this part, this is the coincidence mat. Okay, this one, in this way you can. Suppose, okay, in this way two mats we have established. Okay, these two mats have established. Another, we take example. Suppose we want to copy this part. We can copy it. How? Select this item and press Control key and this drag. This one, Control key. This one, another part will come here. Now mat, clear, and this one, if I suppose establish the tangent relation, select this one, and this one. This is the tangent relation. Establish this one. This is the tangent relation. This one. This part is tangent. You will see that it is moving along this one line. Okay, this one. Suppose you want to this one. Select this, and you want to make the align this one. Now it is tangent from inside edge, from inside. This one and this one. This is tangent about this one. From here you can flip the direction. This one. This is from inside. So, and I am keeping this one. So this I am okay. And cancel it. This one. So I have met three relation. Today I have explained concentric relation, and second is the coincident relation, and third is a tangent relation. Suppose any relation met you don't want, right click, delete it. This one. Right click, delete it. Right click, delete it. In this way you can delete it, the mats. Okay. Today, in the next exercise of the assembly, we will understand the other mats which are left out in the standards. Later on, we study the advanced mats and the different mechanical mats. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much.